I'm back again. Got the fenders pulled off the other day. So now I'm gonna do core support, inner fenders, and whatever else feels like falling off in the process. So, wish me luck. Yeah. Like new battery tray for sale, no other. Nope. Nope. Perfect, first try. Connected the whole time. it in the bolt bin. I didn't forget about you. Oh. I'm gonna take you apart past the jelly. Well, this is where I'm going to end it off for the day. It's Christmas Eve. We got a family Christmas we got to go to. But I got the inner fenders out of it. I got the core support out of it. There's still parts of the core support left. We're not going to talk about that. I got some airbags. I'm going to try to fab up something to turn this I-beam into throw an air eye bet. Oh, I just had a stroke. I'm going to take this I-beam and coil spring set up and yank the coil spring out of it and try to fab up something to make an airbag work on it. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Borrowed over this old 240 inline 6. It does not have any compression at all. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll spray something in it, see if the rings will loosen up and it'll have a chance at running, or go ahead and go about the swap that I had planned for this thing. So we'll see. But that's all for now.